is equal to PE ratio of your choice divided by PEG. So CMG PEG is equal to 155 24. I'm going to use FP for the P, which we already had it, 2545. Next, calculate it using the CAPM model. Basically, cost of equity is equal to the risk-free rate plus beta times market risk premium. Let's call it MRP. Take risk-free rate to equal to 4% across the book, because that's roughly the average value during the last few months. For CMG, you can also find that under statistics, one, which is not too surprising. Remember, this is a national chain of fast dish food restaurant. So it's not surprising that it moves just like the rest of the economy. Hence, cost of equity depends on MRP. We kind of made calculations last time. Let's see. We've already made these calculations, so you don't have to worry about it too much. So 425, 4.5, and 283. 386. Because this is not firm specific, so we might as well assume a uniform number across. Plus, I don't want you to take, more than half a day to complete this assignment. Thus, 4% plus CMG. Okay. Of course, these numbers are going to change with respect to your company. What I want you to do is to replicate. Replicate is too strong, but to repeat these types of calculations for your company. Oh, we also need it. Let's find out. I'm actually in the wrong place. Uh, 8703. Cost of equity is 786%. So that's the cost of debt. No, not cost of the rate of debt. Those are 1642. Wait a minute. No, that's the growth rate. Remember, we estimated two ways, one based on earnings yield, the other is based on CAPM, 1642. I meant to say more. What did we calculate as cost of debt? Pre-tax cost of debt, 628. Actually, we find the after-tax cost of debt here. What did I do wrong? It's not percent. Make sure to include uh, any pages you have used, such as taking pictures of the screen and show your calculations. in Excel. All right. That's pretty much all I want you to do. I don't even want you to write any comments. What does this mean and that sort of stuff. It's basically going through the mechanics of estimating a weighted average cost of capital for your firm, right? And this is due the Friday of the finals week. It is 10% of your grade. So that I can grade them that weekend and enter the semester grades. Again, due date is Friday, December 5, end of business. Of course, if you turn it in early, I can grade it early so that you'll know. But I understand that you're going to be studying for the final, so you may not have time to work on it. And if you do it, I mean, technically, if you do it even Saturday, I'll grade it. More than likely, not most of you are going to leave it to Saturday because I don't want to. I have total 40 groups. I need some time to grade 40 homeworks. 2 days is enough. But informally, if you're late, I'll give you some leeway. All right. If you're the only one that hasn't done it, basically I have to enter the grades by noon on Monday, 7th. As long as I have it and I have time to grade it, I won't give you any late penalties. All right. I'll see you guys either Thursday or next Monday or Tuesday. For those of you who came late, we have our exam to schedule this Thursday. But if you want to, you can take it either next Tuesday, which is our regular class time, or you can take it with one of my Monday, Wednesday sections. If that's the case, let me know so that I have only 44 seats in this room. If I need more place, I can arrange it. All right. I'll see you guys next week or Thursday. I'm sorry. Or I have another review session at 12:30, and I'll post the videos of those later this afternoon if you can't make it.